Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use focus mode in Windows 11 so you can reduce distractions and boost productivity. Focus mode helps silence notifications and keeps you on task. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click System. Click Focus. Under Focus Session, choose the duration you want. You can adjust the time using the plus and minus buttons. If you want background music, make sure Spotify is connected. Click Start Focus Session. Notifications will be silenced during the session. Focus mode also turns on Do Not Disturb automatically. If you want to customize notification behavior, go back to System. Click Notifications. Adjust priority notifications if needed. When the timer ends, notifications will return to normal. You can start a focus session anytime from Settings. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.